Let us solve the next MCQ question of matrices chapter. The given question is, given a matrix A, how can we write it? How can we write it? As a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix respectively. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix respectively. So this is the given question. Answers are half sum of A plus A transpose minus half A minus A transpose. B option is given as half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose minus A. C part is given as half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. Next, D part of this question is given as half A minus A transpose minus half A plus A transpose. So these are the options given for this MCQ question. So let us solve this. So first, in symmetric matrix, okay. So what if you do that of a symmetric matrix? If your matrix is given now, if matrix is A, if you do the transpose, you will get A. Okay, now. And for skew symmetric, you will get, if you do the transpose, you will get minus A. Okay, now. And for skew symmetric matrix, it is the sum of A plus A dash written in this. We can write like this also. And here it is half A minus A dash. Okay, you can solve this also. If it is half A plus A dash, you can verify it. Okay, half. If it is symmetric, no? Symmetric is plus. So here, and in symmetric matrix, A dash is equal to A. So A. So you are getting 2A by 2. You are getting A. So you are getting that matrix, no? Again. So the matrix A can be written as A dash, and it can be written as half A plus A dash in symmetric matrix, whereas in skew symmetric matrix it is half A minus A dash. Substitute here half A minus of A. In skew symmetric matrix, A dash can be written as minus A. So this is half minus and minus plus 2A. So again we are getting what? Same matrix. Okay. So it means that whatever you do transport of the given matrix, if it is remaining the same matrix, resulting in the same matrix, then it is what? It is symmetric matrix, and it can be written like this. Okay, now, because if we solve this, again we are getting A. Okay. Similarly, in skew symmetric matrix, the transpose answer will be in the negative of the given matrix, and this can be written like this, because if we solve this, and we will get A matrix also, A matrix only. Okay. Understood? What is the main matrix? A matrix. On solving this, we are getting the A matrix. On solving this, we are getting the given A matrix. So like this, what they have said? Sum of symmetric. So first, sum of symmetric respectively they said, no? So you cannot change the order. Or you can, if there is opposite symbols between them, then you can follow it. But here it is sum, no? So write it. Respectively means you have to follow the order. Okay. Symmetric and skew symmetric. Symmetric is written as A plus A dash, whereas skew symmetric is written as A minus A dash. So which option is matching? It is C option is correct. So like this you can solve this type of questions.